Imagine a fortress, strong walls, guarded gates. It's designed to keep intruders out and protect what's inside. Now, imagine trying to break in. You'd need to find weaknesses, hidden paths, or unguarded spots. That's what ethical hackers do in a penetration test or pen test. They simulate attacks to uncover vulnerabilities. Penetration testing is a way to find weaknesses in systems, applications, and networks before malicious hackers do. Think of it as a security checkup for computers and networks. Just like a doctor checks your health, a pen tester checks your digital defenses. Before someone with bad intentions finds them, we want to find them first. This proactive approach helps prevent data breaches and cyber attacks. The first step is reconnaissance. This is where we gather as much information as possible about the target. Like a detective, we gather information. We look for clues, patterns, and any details that might help us understand the target better. We learn everything we can about the target. This includes understanding the network structure, identifying key assets, and mapping out potential entry points. This helps us find the best way in. Reconnaissance is essential because it lays the groundwork for the entire pen test. It gives us a blueprint. With this information, we can plan our approach and identify the most vulnerable areas. We see the target's defenses. This includes firewalls, security protocols, and any other protective measures in place. This information guides our entire pen test. By understanding the target's defenses, we can effectively test their strength and resilience. Every good plan starts with a goal. Whether you're launching a new product, planning a marketing campaign, or securing a network, having a clear objective is essential. In pen testing, our target is that goal. It's the focal point of our efforts, the endpoint we aim to reach. It could be a website, a network, or even a single computer. Each target presents its own unique challenges and requires a tailored approach. Knowing your target is crucial. It allows us to focus our efforts and resources effectively, ensuring we don't waste time on irrelevant areas. It's like setting a course for a spaceship. Without a clear destination, we risk drifting aimlessly through the vast expanse of cyberspace. Without a destination, we're just drifting. A well-defined target gives us direction and purpose. We need to know the target's scope. Understanding the boundaries of our testing environment is essential to avoid overstepping and causing unintended damage. What are we allowed to test? What are the boundaries? These questions help us define the scope and ensure we stay within legal and ethical limits. Clear communication with the client is key. We need to understand their expectations and requirements to deliver effective results. Identifying the target also helps us choose the right tools. The tools we use can vary greatly, depending on the nature of the target. Different targets need different approaches. By zeroing in on the target, we can select the most effective tools and techniques to achieve our goal. Now the real fun begins. We turn into cyber detectives. Our goal is to uncover information about our target. This is where open source intelligence, or OSINT, comes in. Think of it as our detective's toolkit. We use publicly available information. Search engines are our friends, social media too. We can even find technical details on websites like Shodan. Every piece of information is a clue. It helps us paint a picture of the target's security posture. Section 4, peeking through open doors, port scanning. Imagine a city with many doors. Some are locked, some are open. Each door leads to a different service. Computers and networks are like this city. They have ports. These ports allow communication. Port scanning is like checking each door. We use tools to see which ports are open and listening. This tells us which services are running. We can then investigate these services for weaknesses. Section 5. Mapping the landscape. Network mapping. We've gathered some clues, we know what's running, now it's time to map the network. Network mapping helps us understand the target's infrastructure. It's like drawing a blueprint of their defenses. We use tools to see which devices are connected. We learn how they talk to each other. This map is crucial for planning our attack. It shows us the paths we can take and the obstacles in our way. Section 6. The final report, documenting your findings. Our reconnaissance is complete. We've gathered valuable information. This is the culmination of all our hard work, the point where we translate our findings into a comprehensive document. Now we must document everything. Every piece of data, every vulnerability, and every potential threat must be meticulously recorded. This is not just a formality, it is a crucial step in the cybersecurity process. This report is our treasure map. It guides our clients through the complex landscape of cybersecurity threats. It is a detailed account of what we discovered during our investigation. It shows the client what we found. We detail every vulnerability. We also recommend solutions. These solutions are tailored to the specific needs and circumstances of the client. How can the client fix these weaknesses? We provide clear, actionable steps. This is where our expertise truly shines, offering practical advice that can be implemented immediately. How can they improve their security? We offer a roadmap for enhancing their defenses, ensuring they are better protected against future threats. A detailed report is essential. It is a testament to our thoroughness and dedication. It provides a clear record of our findings and recommendations. It shows the value of our work. A well-documented report demonstrates our commitment to helping the client secure their digital assets. It helps the client secure their systems. By following our recommendations, they can significantly reduce their risk of cyber attacks. Remember, the goal of penetration testing is improvement. We are not just identifying problems, we are providing solutions that lead to a more secure environment. We want to make the digital world a safer place, one reconnaissance mission at a time. Our detailed reports are a crucial part of this mission, helping clients understand and mitigate